Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to copy and paste hashtags onto Instagram. This continues our series on Instagram tech tutorials, so if you have any other questions about Instagram, make sure to check out all of our other videos. Now, unfortunately, Instagram does not allow for copying and pasting directly on the app itself. So what you're going to have to do is create a note or a folder somewhere that has your hashtags. So we're going to go into Notes, and you'll see here that I have my hashtags. Once you have your hashtags, you're going to select those, and you'll hit Copy. Once you've copied those hashtags, you can hit Done, and we're going to go back to our home screen. Then we're going to go into Instagram. You're going to find the picture that you would like to add those hashtags to. We're going to go here. Then we're going to scroll, and we're going to hit the comment button. What we can do is paste them right here. You'll select there and hit paste. And you'll notice that all of your hashtags have signed in there. If you would like more hashtags, you can put them in here. And once you are done, you're going to hit post. You'll see that this posted all of your hashtags, and that if you click on any of these hashtags, it takes you to that hashtag part. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks and have a great day.